Hello everyone, myself Nivedita Bose from Easy Electrical, your GS faculty for Rapid Revision series. Today is 7th of October 2021. We will be starting our SSC JEE non-tech part. Today we will deal with the subject Current Affairs. Before that, I would like to give you a brief introduction about our PET course SSC JEE 2021, which includes concept-based classes on technical and non-technical portion, plus practice problems, month-wise test and notes. What we specialize in is that we provide you with classroom recordings free for lifetime, which is otherwise chargeable in other institutions. Now coming to today's topic. The first question is, which state launched Kishan Kalyan Mission to promote the income of a farmer? The correct option is UP, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath launched the scheme and promises to double the farmers' income at the end of 2022. Omkareshwar Dam, which was making news recently, is located in which state? Options are Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Jharkhand. The correct options is Madhya Pradesh. It is the world's largest floating solar energy project. Is said to be constructed on the Omkareshwar Dam or on Narmada River. Now coming to the next question. What is the name of the military exercise that would involve asset of Indian Army, Indian Navy, Air Force and Coast Guard? Options are Exercise Himvijay, Exercise Kavach, Exercise Kapil and Exercise Darshan. Please pause your video and try yourself. The correct options is Exercise Kavach. It is a large and joint military exercise that would involve technical, electronic and human intelligence and asset of the Indian Army, Indian Navy, Air Force and Coast Guard. Now coming to the next question. When is the statehood day of the three states of Meghalaya, Manipur and Tripura celebrated? Options are 19 January, 21st January, 23rd January and 25th January. Here on January 21, 1972, these three states become fully fledged states under the Northeastern Region Act of 1971. So the correct option is 21 January. Now coming to the next question. The WHO, World Health Organization, has collaborated with which company to distribute COVID vaccine? Option A Pfizer, option E Roche, option C Merck and option D Johnson & Johnson. The correct option is option A. Now the question is, what is the name of rare Martian mineral which has been recently discovered in Antarctic ice? Options are jarosite, carnotite, johnsonite and ilmenite. Here the correct option is option A. Now coming to the next question. Which organization releases report on trend and progress banking in India? Options are Niti Aayog, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, Finance Ministry and Finance Commission. Here the correct option is RBI, option B. Now coming to the next question. Which state has been declared a disturbed area for 6 more months by the Home Ministry? Options are Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram and Manipur. You must try yourself, then see the answers. Here the correct option is Nagaland. Swachh Survekshan 2020 report was recently released by Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Here the correct option is option C, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Now see our last question of this day. Which of the following is geographically closest to the Bhasanchar Island? It is very much burning topic of for this year. Options are Kolkata, Dhaka, Chittagong and Cox's Bazar. These are very much important for this year. Here the correct option is Chittagong. This is for today. Thank you everyone for staying up to this point. If you have any doubts, send us a message at 833-506-7725 or mail us at electricaleasy@gmail.com. Thank you.